Normal joint. When two bones meet, it is called a joint. A normal joint allows for proper movement, and it needs a good framework of bone, cartilage, synovial fluid, ligaments, tendons, and muscles to function properly. Inflamed joint. When injury occurs, inflammation may result. Inflammation is a normal and protective response to an injury. Signs of inflammation include heat, pain, swelling, and loss of function. Normal inflammation helps repair injured tissue by dilating blood vessels, releasing white blood cells and enzymes into the joint to mop up damaged tissue. Unfortunately, sometimes these enzymes go out of control and will break down synovial fluid, which provides joint lubrication, and proteoglycans, which hold the integrity of the collagen. This, in turn, stimulates further inflammation. Controlling inflammation is key to stopping this vicious cycle and preventing further damage to the joint. Healed joint. After a phase of acute inflammation, a joint may return back to normal. This is the best-case scenario. Arthritis. In cases where inflammation is chronic, it progresses slowly and is often uncontrolled. This can lead to the breakdown of cartilage within a joint. Here, the degradation of articular cartilage by the inflammatory molecules outweighs its capacity to synthesize a new layer. This can eventually lead to osteoarthritis and degenerative joint disease. The result is reduced and damaged cartilage and a scenario in which bones are virtually rubbing against each other.